I'm Patrick Knopf, the General Manager of Citi Bike, North America's largest bike share operation. With more than 35,000 bikes and 2,200 stations, it's a massive living organism that requires constant coordination to keep everyone moving. I want to take you behind the scenes to meet the people who power the system every day. So, let's go. We're here in Brooklyn at one of our depots. This is where bike maintenance and repairs take place. Operations are performed by Motivate, the field subcontractor for Lyft Urban Solutions.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Thank you guys again for another great week. All the numbers are where they've been consistently for fleet availability. Leads, runners, managers will be working on the opportunistic headlight repairs, so we should be able to churn. Good. Let's get at it.
The first thing I do every morning is get a snapshot of the entire bike share system right here. This single platform, developed in-house, brings everything together. Our bikes and stations are in constant communication with our software. It automatically identifies system needs, creates tasks, and prioritizes them, building the most efficient routes possible for our field team. One of the Citi Bike drivers is about to start their route. Xavier, can you tell me what you do for Citi Bike?
I work for service delivery. Service delivery is everything having to do with moving the bikes around, transporting them from Manhattan to Brooklyn, etc. And I'm using Fieldworks all day. When I start my morning, I will pick whatever's closest to me and work my way out. Everything just pops up for me. I'll just press navigate. We just left Morgan warehouse and we're headed out towards Dumbo for rebalancing. I'll make sure to pick up as many as I can from there. I also pick up stolen bikes, lost bikes, missed dock bikes, and bring it to the stations that Fieldwork assign us to. A lot of people tell us about how much Citi Bike has helped and how convenient it is, It's amazing.
The incredible field operations team does an essential job managing the system, but how do we get even smarter about how we operate? Given the rising popularity of e-bikes, it's all about electrification. We've been connecting more and more stations to the grid, giving us the ability to charge e-bikes directly in the docks. It helps us increase e-bike availability and drastically reduces the need for van-based battery swaps. This decreases our vehicle mileage, which means less congestion and fewer emissions. Our technology and our team work hand in hand to build a smarter, more sustainable system. You've now had a rare look behind the scenes, from the tools that orchestrate our operations to the work on the streets. So, next time you see a full station or an e-bike with full charge, know that our system is working together to make that possible.